Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and tonight we're going to go back out on the Blackstone. And what I'm going to make tonight are homemade patty melts. Yeah, Jewish rye bread. Look at that. Swiss cheese, grilled onions, caramelized onions. All right, let me show you how I make these. Well, it doesn't get much easier than this. A couple of patties. Now, what's that? 4, 7, 5. Well, we'll go 4, 8, 4, 9. Close enough. And some slices of Jewish rye bread. You can use any kind of rye bread. And some baby Swiss. You can use any Swiss cheese you like. Baby Swiss is what I picked. First thing I'm going to do is caramelize our onions. Of course, we got to use olive oil from Tom and Marie. Tom and Marie Garvey, Keto Cook, Sunday Dinner Chef, Marie's Mysteries. Oh, Meg's Mysteries. Sorry, Marie. We're going to get our onions down. Put a little more olive oil on top. And we're going to add a little bit of salt. All right, this looks pretty good right now. I'm going to move these to the side, and they will keep softening up over here to the side. But for right now, we're going to move them so we can get the patties going and get these patty melts finished. Next up, the patties. I made them oblong because my rye bread's so big. So I'm going to try to get these smashed out a little bit lengthwise like that. Try to get them to fit that bread better. Okay, thinking right about there. I'm going to put a little SPG on mine. You can put salt, pepper if you want. Alright, these will be cooked here in a minute. So, I'm going to move these over to the side. They'll cook for a minute or two longer while they're over here on this side. But we're going to get our rye bread down. This may have to go fast because that's pretty hot. All right, mayonnaise side down. Mayonnaise side down. You're gonna get your baby Swiss on there. I'm gonna go with 2 pieces. Just like that. Okay. Get my patty on there. That one's a little smaller than the bread, that's fine. That one there fits a lot better. Kind of center them up a little bit. Alright, we're going to get our caramelized onions on there. Just like that. And top with 2 more pieces of cheese. Okay, top piece on. All right, let me check the bottoms. All right, it's looking pretty darn good. So we'll go for about another second. This could be the tricky part, getting these flipped without making a mess. Didn't quite make it. Okay. Same with that. It's okay. That top cheese wasn't melted yet, so we're all good. I'm gonna get the bottom toasted. Take these off. Give them a taste. All right, looking good. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, let's cut that other one open too. Look at that. All right, let's just stack them. There you go. Patty melts on the Blackstone Griddle. All right, what do you think about that? Homemade patty melts, super simple. Just make them on your Blackstone Griddle. You could even make them in your fry pan if you want, but you know, what fun is that? We're cooking them outside. Look at that. Caramelized onion, Swiss cheese, burger patty, Jewish rye bread. You can use any rye bread you want. Here we go. Cheers. Boy, oh boy. Those sure are delicious. That rye bread is amazing. Toast them up. Toast them up with mayonnaise, not butter. So good. All right. Thanks for checking this out. Super quick cook, super easy to make. Get out there and make you a patty melt. I bet you haven't had one in quite a while, so they're so tasty. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.